Hi, my name is Quinn. Welcome to my presentation on intermittent fasting or IF and its logic. When you eat a high carb and or sugary diet, it ends up in your stomach and your body changes the food into glucose. This will increase your blood sugar. Some of the glucose is used up as energy. As for the remaining glucose, your body will produce insulin to store the glucose as fat in your muscles and cells. Your body will especially store the fat in your belly, waist, liver, and pancreas. Insulin tells your body to store fat and prevent the burning or usage of the fat. High insulin normally causes weight gain. With intermittent fasting or IF, after 12 to 14 hours after eating, your stomach is now empty. Your insulin level is low. Your body is now able to use or burn the fat stored in your belly, waist, liver, and pancreas. Therefore, the longer you fast, the more fat you can burn. These are the way to make your IF even more effective. 1. Cut out sugary food. Second, eat a low-carb diet. Third, no snacking between meals. Fourth, have 2 meals a day with the smaller meal last before you go to bed. Fifth, get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day. And sixth, exercise regularly, especially before breaking your fast. There are many IF levels, all of which depend on each and every person. Start with beginning level and move on up depending on your capacity. The first level is the beginning level or the elementary school level with 14 hours of fasting and 10-hour window for eating. The second level is the intermediate level or the middle school level with 16 hours of fasting and 8-hour windows for eating. The third level is the intermediate 2 level or the high school level with 18 hours fasting and 6-hour window for eating. The fourth level is the advanced level 1 or the college level with 20-hour fasting and 4-hour window for eating. The fifth level is the advanced level 2 with 23 hours of fasting and 1-hour window for eating or the 1 meal a day. This is the timeline for what happens when you fast. We start at 0 hour before eating or starting of fasting. Make sure you cut out sugary food, eat low carb diet, no snacking between meals, eat real food, not processed food. Make sure your food contains vitamin D, potassium, and have enough salt. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and be happy to reduce your stress level. With this, at 14 hours, your insulin level will drop. Your body will start burning fat. You will start losing weight and have human growth hormone. At 18 hours, you will enter autophagy stage, which will start the process of anti-aging, fat burning, and body healing. At 24 hours, you will deplete the fat in your liver. You will have reduced inflammation, increased gut healing, heart rejuvenation, brain healing. At 36 hours, antioxidant will start. You will see increased healing and body repair. At 48 hours, you will have increased stem cell production, reduced risk of cancers and tumor, and decreased risk of dementia. So, is IF right for you? Yes, if you have no eating disorder, can control eating once you break your fast, feel sharper and more productive during fasting, and manage your stress level. However, IF is not right for you if you have a history of eating disorder, overeat once you break fast, are experience hormonal issues, are in a stressful period of your life, and have special health problems. Thank you.